If you've ever been in a fender bender, you know just how stressful it can be. Well, today I'm talking with Oscar from Scottsdale Collision Center about how he and his team can help you get back on the road. All right, Oscar, thank you so much for having us in today. I want to hear a little bit about what you guys do and kind of what makes you different.
So we are a collision center, right? It's nothing to it. It's if you've been in a collision, we can help you fix it. The beauty about us is that we are an independent shop. A lot of people go, well, what does that mean?
Yeah.
That means that I don't have a contract with your insurance company and I don't have a financial agreement with your insurance company on how I fixed your car. So,
and what does that mean? Like, how is that different? Do most places have an agreement?
Some places have an agreement. So what that means is the insurance company is going to feed you business and they're going to say, hey, we approve this, and that, and you can't really shy away from that.
Gotcha.
With me, I tear the car down. We do a full assessment on the vehicle. We do a comprehensive repair plan on what it's going to take to repair your vehicle with parts, labor, statistics, everything that it needs to get your car back to pre-collision status. And then we submit that to the insurance company, and our goal is to hold them accountable to make sure that they pay for everything that your car needs.
And talk a little bit about the process, because a lot of people, when you get into a wreck, it's really scary. Maybe you don't know what to do, but you guys help. You guys really walk people through the process. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so it's traumatic, right? You're going to work.
Yeah.
All you're thinking about is like, I gotta get my coffee from the coffee shop.
Right.
And then all of a sudden you get hit. It's traumatic, right?
Yeah.
You're thinking about your kids, you're thinking about what's going on. We have a staff dedicated to call us. They'll walk you through the whole entire process. We have access to tow service 24/7. You just call the shop. We have a staff dedicated that can help you from getting your car from A to B, from getting the file claim with the insurance company, walk you through the process to make sure that you're filing the right claim and to make sure we're able to proceed accordingly. And if you need a rental car, we can get you a rental car. We can either use Enterprise, Hertz, or we do have a contract if you do have a Tesla with the company that rents Teslas. That way you can exchange a Tesla for another Tesla. So.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you guys have really thought of everything. You really want your customers to feel comfortable, to have someone there to walk alongside them. So tell me a little bit about the equipment. We were talking about this earlier, that cars are so high tech now. They're updated all the time. How do you make sure that your guys who are working here know how to work on every type of car?
So you're driving essentially anything that's 2013 and newer, it's a computer, right? Because they start adding sensors. If you get a chance to look at one of these cars when it's turned down, you have sensors, monitors, cameras, everything. Everything needs to be calibrated. So when you run into an accident, we have a company that comes out, scans the car for any electronic code to make sure that it's functioning. And if it's not, that gives us a report that says, hey, all this stuff isn't working on the car.
Yeah.
So if it's something that's common on all cars, we do it in-house. We have the equipment to fix it in-house. If it's something specialty, we either use the dealership, so we sub it up to the dealership so they can use their equipment. And a lot of times you have to do that, or you use a specific company that specializes solely on that equipment.
So one really fun thing that I want to talk about that you guys are rolling out, which is wrapping. Tell me about that.
Yeah. So now that we have our collision centers established, we were subbing out a lot of the work. So now we just got the building across the street from this location. We actually launched a soft opening on Monday. We're going to be doing tints, wraps, PPF. A lot of our fleet customers like this, when the car gets in an accident, they have to rewrap the car. And a lot of times subbing it out, that was delaying the process.
Right.
So now because we have it all in-house, we're going to have our own prints in-house, we have a designer in-house, and we're going to have the installers in-house. When the car is done getting painted, we'll drive it across the street. We'll get everything rewrapped. If you do have a fleet, like our fleet vehicle here, we can wrap it, because what better to have your logo and your brand on a moving billboard, right? So we're able to help with the design, help with the logos, and help with the installation.
There you go. Get people on the road quicker, faster, and looking even better than they did before they came in.
Absolutely.
So Oscar, tell everybody if they happen to be in a wreck or they just want to get some great tint, whatever it might be, tell them how they get in touch with you.
Well, hopefully everybody's safe if you've been in an accident.
Yes.
And if everybody is safe, give us a call at 602-777-7921. We do have staff available that answer the phone, answer all your questions, make sure that you walk through the entire process. If you simply just want a quote, you can email us at estimates@scottsdalecollisionaz.com, and we'll make sure we'll take care of you. We guarantee that we'll give you an estimate back within 24 to 48 hours. So
that's awesome.
That's how you can get a hold of us.
Very cool. All right, Oscar, thank you so much for having us. I want to check out some of these tints.
Awesome.
All right, let's do it.
Thank you so much.